Yeah, you're on. Yeah. Oh, it's a goodie. It's a very goodie. Yeah, man. I've been after zoom it in, yeah? Yeah.
How quick do I change to the fucking story?
Oh.
Starts going and your bucket starts going. Start drifting away from it.
I'm on.
Oh!
Snapper.
Oh!
You changing?
Yeah, no, I was changing.
Look at the sounder.
Before you even got on.
It's not a record snapper.
Yeah,
Instant on though. Oh, we'll see what it, I don't know what it is. My radar's off. Oh, fighting right next to the boat here. Oh, it's a bonito. What the fuck? It looks so pink. It didn't fight like a bonito. That's fucked. Different bomb munching on it. Watch it'll disappear as soon as this hits the water.
It's worth it, 100% worth it. But it's not, we've got thingies out here.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, the bait also stopped as soon as my jig hit the water.
It did?
Yeah.
I'll still see it. Fuck, that's right out there.
Oh yeah, on.
Pardon?
On.
Straight away.
Yeah.
Good or?
I don't know, probably bonito. Got line? Are you letting that line for long?
Yeah, that's all right.
Good one?
Don't know. I don't know what it is. Not bad.
Oh, I'm on the jig.
You're on, yeah.
Oh. This one's better. Personal double. It's a good fish or a big bonito. I don't know if my jig one's still there. I haven't even looked at reeling this guy in. Yeah, I got a fish there.
No.
Oh, fuck, I'm fucked here.
Oh, yeah. Nice little snap.
I'm gonna double hook up a fucking. Look at it go!
That's a nice snap.
Good one, yeah.
Fuck yeah, he's off too. You're on a good snap, I reckon, yo.
Yeah.
That's not a snap. Fuck, I love it when it works.
I haven't even got much line in yet. This is all about personal double. It screamed off A too.
Yeah. Oh, I saw it go and I was like, if you don't get to it.
Well, I heard it.
Not going to be any line left for you to wind in.
I'm fishing a big livey down there too. I reckon it's a bonito. Oh, this went real slack. Oh, what the fuck?
Fuck yeah. Winner?
Yeah, come on.
A good one.
Fuck, how good's getting a feeder snapper? Oh, look at this thing buckling.
Good glass off. Fuck yeah. You on the net?
Oh, we'll see once he comes around.
Close.
No, just try and keep him away from that other fish. Could be the same fish, maybe.
Yeah, who knows what the current's going down the bottom. What are we talking here?
I don't know, I think it's similar to what you have, but
Really?
I don't know.
Way bigger. Oh, it's got colour.
Yeah, it's a snapper.
Coming up, mate. Decent one.
Pretty good.
Yeah.
What's he saying? Might just. Yeah. Oh fuck, no rest for the fucking wicked here. My livey wasn't doing much. Oh, this rod's crazy compared to that one.
You're on, yeah. Oh, yeah, I think you are. Yeah, you're on.
Fish on. Come on. Oh yeah, goody.
Really?
Fuck, snaggy goody. It's a fish though, it's going bonkers. Like this little rod's caught some fish, eh? We'll see if a shark follows any of them, because we'll see the shark from so far. Colour. The right kind of colour. Yep, right kind of colour. Oh, I know, she's air bubbles. How many times can it get me? Yeah. Clean up crew coming through. Oh, actually, another real good one.
Oh, even better than the last. Hey! It's dumpling,
Oh no, I don't see any gangs.
Oh, Dr. Brzezinski's back here.
It'll be fine. Still going down pretty good. Oh yeah, I'm on. Oh. I'm on. Oh yeah. You're getting a snapper a drop? What are you doing over that side? Oh yeah. Oh. It's a good, yeah, it's pretty good. Oh. Yeah, you want one?
Oh, look at the bag. No.
Oh. That's sharp. Bite or something. Just, I was bringing him up and he just stopped dead. He's still coming now though. That was a half billy too, so that's good.
You want to do a half?
Yeah.
That's 3 hooks?
Yeah, I just left the bottom one flapping.
Oh.
Yeah, so he's alright. Oi! Come on, dude. Oi! Oi, he just ran the boat, you feel that? Look at that, no, not one hook in his mouth. Oh yeah, that's better. Oh yeah. Oh, lost him. Oh yeah. Yeah. Oh, it's a goodie. It's a real goodie. Feels like best of the day.
Pardon?
Feels like best of the day.
Had a good run.
Yeah. Yeah, it's a goodie. Same sort as the other two better ones. Before I can change the fucking battery.
Maybe we won't move. Why that's not coming back?
Fuck, it's hard to hold that with one hand. Oh. Goodie, eh? No?
You got it. Open the driveway to
Mine's a goodie. Or it's a maricot or something. I reckon I got your fish.
No way.
You reckon?
That one, yeah. Nah, yours is way bigger than mine.
Don't know. What are you laughing at?
Oh, I can see mine. I can't see yours on. It's close to each other. Yeah. Oh, second hook, but the bottom one bounced up. Ideal. Not a bad one.
No.
Little knob. Shark or what?
No, I don't know.
Big. Heavy. Oh,
Yeah, you see it though.
is it just here?
Getting, yeah, he's not far. Two more colours or some shit. Feels like he's side hooked or something. Yeah, snapper. Just real spinner. Oh no, oh yeah, it's a good one though.
Oh, yeah.
Side hooked.
Oh, get out of your way.
It's a real white coloured one. Fuck, he's having a go here.
Yeah, I'm never good ones. I can't. No knob at all.
Yeah, full no knob.
New Zealand snapper.
Yeah, maybe it's from the deep, I reckon. Oh. Fucking walloped. Did you, I was just pulling the drag and it kept coming out. No. No.
Was it a snap?
No, it was a fish, 100%. It hit.
Overhead. First side.
Oh yeah, on. Yeah, same as the last bit. Oh. Yeah, it is. Oh, that's better knock. Fucking chicken.
June on top, I reckon.
Yeah, I don't know.
Yeah, you can.
But, no, it's a.
Is that it?
It's a. Oh yeah, snap.
What is it?
Oh, just a panty.
I think I get Rob Bennett more on the others. Good one.
Yeah, he's good. It's clinic here.
My still plate from there is what we don't.
Got one?
Oh, yeah. Nothing right out of there. Fish.
Good one? Spinning one
I
maybe?
think it's been
Yeah.
either that or it's got a big now. Curly. Well, I think we are up to a fucking famous now.
Yeah, good one? Oh. Oh, can we use your bait?
Looking for a deal, I hope he's looking for a deal. What's that in the water over there?
Where?
It's still there. It's not massive. Straight there.
How far out?
30 metres. See it?
No.
It's like a fucking crocodile.
I can't see. Oh yeah, I see it now. Turtle, is it?
I don't think so.
Should go have a look at it.
I think it's just a log. I will drift close to it. Could be just a log.
Oh wait, dollies, 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 dollies. Yeah. Dollies, 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 dollies. Yeah, you jig it.
Yeah, on. Oh,
He hit it?
yeah, I was on for a little bit.
Fuck, that's fun. Yeah, they're good. So.
Oh, jumping over there. They might be turning on here.
I reckon they might.
Oh, there's not much we can do, either troll or go get
Yeah, he's got the fin up for me too.
Beautiful.
Yeah, you're on. Yeah, that'll do us.
hopefully I don't have to roll. I don't have to roll.
Fuck.
Maybe not though, because that would have been a big run for us here. And we went past the other side.
Yeah.
But it hasn't down. Can you see it?
The log?
Yeah.
Nah.
Well, I must have it then. There's no way my one I might try at it. I'm not sure I might fish though.
Are you moving it?
Yeah.
You wouldn't move the log.
Oh, wasn't it? I'm assuming I like it on the water. I can't see the log, but I can't see where we are
Yeah.
in relation to it.
You want to do that? You haven't cracked the meter yet. You see him?
Yeah.
Let's gaff him.
Probably could net him. There's not much bigger than yours.
Yeah, that's net him. The gaff's not fun with these size. Yeah. I think I just lifted him on the boat. Fuck, they're strong.
Much bigger than yours. I don't even know if it is bigger than yours.
Good snapper there. And then also that dolly. Rate me 1 through 10.